In the previous video, we learned about the JSON syntax. In this video, we'll learn how to format or prettify a JSON response. Let's go back to the api.themoviedb.org, and this is the response from the server sending us the popular movies in a JSON format. But this is not readable. To prettify or format a JSON response to make it more human readable, you can use various tools, online services, or code editors. Here are several methods you can use, like the online JSON Prettifiers, text editors and IDEs, command line tools, and programming languages. But I will use in our example the online JSON Prettifiers. There are several online JSON Prettifiers tools available that allow you to paste your JSON response and they will automatically format it for you. So I'll copy this whole response. I can go to the codebeautify.org, JSONformatter.org, JSONPrettyprint.net, and many other websites. I love to use this JSON Viewer and codebeautify.org, paste the response, and you can see to the right here, we can see the formatted JSON. We can see we have object for page equal to 1, the key is page, the value is 1. So we are on page number 1. So this is an array called result. This is the key named as results, and the value is 20 items. Inside this array, we have 20 objects. The first one is 0. The key of it is 0 and contains 14 items. Inside this first object, we have 14 key value pairs. The first one is adult equal to false. This is the key. Value false. Backdrop path, this is the image of the movie, and there is another array here called January IDs. ID and its value, original language, its value, original title key, talk to me, overview key, and this is the value of it, key value, and till the 14th element. So every object inside this array called result contains 14 items, contains 14 key value pairs. This is object number 0. If we click on it, we can see it's collapsing. The second object inside this array having a key 1 and the value, the 14 objects, key value pairs. The key adult, false, backdrop path here, and so on. Every object inside this array contains 14 key value pairs. And if you scroll down, you can see there is another key value called total pages for 0183. And another key value, total results 803643. So inside this response, this JSON response, we have an object containing 4 elements, 4 key value pairs. The first one is page, the value is 1. The second element is results, and its value is an array of 20 elements. The third element is total pages, and its value is 4183. And the fourth element is total results, and its value is 803643. And inside this results array, we have 20 elements, starting from 0 to 19. This is what we're going to fetch. This is the response that we're going to translate it, to transform it into Pojo elements, plain old Java objects, and display the response to the user interface.